What? Yes, I said it. We will all need a lip filler, and I'm not excluding men. You may be thinking to yourself, not me, I'll never get lip filler. Or, I don't need lip filler because I love the size of my lips. You probably think I'm referring to a lip filler enhancement, like what most people and a lot of celebrities do. But I'm not talking about what these celebrities have done. These celebrities have likely had lip filler enhancements, which are when someone wants to enlarge their natural lip size in order to enhance their appearance, because it puts our features into more attractive proportions. It adds sex appeal. Lip filler enhancements can be done in someone as young as 18 or younger, or someone over 50. There's no age limit in wanting to enlarge and enhance your natural lip size. But lip filler enhancements are usually what scare people, because a lot of people go overboard and overfill their lips, which lead to problems like migration, which we spoke about in other videos. What I'm talking about is something different. Take a look at the gorgeous Kim Basinger. She was known for her plump lips and for having one of the sexiest lips in Hollywood. As she's gotten older, can you appreciate how her lips have changed? They've gotten smaller and the shape of her lips have lost definition. Another celebrity very well known for having large full lips was Mick Jagger. And both of these celebrities' lips, by the way, are 100% natural. This was in his 20s, and as he reached his 40s, you can see that his lips have lost a significant amount of volume. And this is a more recent pic, which shows he's lost even more volume. So from his 20s to now, his lips have basically deflated like a balloon would. As we age, our lips undergo a transformation. And yes, this will eventually happen to your lips, or you may have already noticed signs that your lips have changed from when you were younger. But what if we could restore the lost volume to your lips to bring them back to what they used to look like? Allow me to introduce you to what I call a lip filler restoration. The goal of this treatment is to restore the lost volume to your lips, as opposed to a lip filler enhancement, which is done to enlarge your natural lip size. So the question I have for you is, if you could restore the lost volume to your lips and your results look 100% natural, would you do it? Comment your answer below, but before you say no, let me show you the first signs of changes that start to happen with aging. One of the first things you'll start to notice is a decrease in fullness of your tubercles. Your lip tubercles are areas of fullness and outward projection. You have 3 on your top lip and 2 on the bottom. This causes a decrease in the vertical size of your lips, as well as a loss of outward projection. You can see Kim Basinger's lips don't project outward as much. Another thing you'll notice is more shadowing and hollowing to your oral commissures, which are the corners of your lips. Eventually, your lip corners will start to turn downwards, as you can see here, and you'll start to get areas of shadowing above the upper lip, as you can see here. Looking at Julia Roberts, you can see that her oral commissures have more shadowing compared to when she was younger. Loss of volume in these areas around the lips leads to loss of support for the lips. You can also appreciate this in Vanessa Williams. Can you see that her oral commissures have deepened with time? Loss of volume to the upper lip eventually leads to flattening of the vermilion border, and the Cupid's bow loses its definition. Eventually, the lower lip corners start inverting and turning inward, and the whole lower lip starts to curl in and hide. Patients often really underestimate how important it is to treat not just your lips, but the tissue surrounding your lips. Your lips are part of an aesthetic unit that involves not just your lips, but the perioral tissue, which is the tissue surrounding your lips. Treating the tissue surrounding your lips are an integral part of lip filler restorations, because the tissue around your lips are what help give your lips support. They're what help give your lips that outward projection. She's someone who has lost a significant amount of volume to her lip tubercles. They look deflated, as do her oral commissures, which are causing shadowing, and her lower lip is inverting in. This is after we did a lip filler restoration. We used 1 full syringe. If I were to only treat her lips without treating the tissue surrounding her lips, it would look odd and unnatural. And we could have improved and restored a little bit more, but this was our very first treatment and a great start to a restoration. Here's another lip filler restoration. Look at the confidence just come back. This is just a start. We used 1 full syringe, and should someone desire, they can indeed restore a little more. She was very happy with her results. So you may be wondering, at what age am I going to notice these changes? It is a very gradual process. It's not like you wake up one day and your lips are deflated. It's different for everyone. But in general, people with smaller, thinner lips probably notice changes sooner than people with fuller, larger lips. And generally speaking, men tend to have thinner lips than women, so they might notice these changes sooner than women do. Okay, this is really important. You don't want to wait this long before you come in for a lip filler restoration, because once there's a significant amount of volume loss like this, I won't be able to get your lips to a comparable size to when you were younger, because there's just too much volume loss. I have naturally full lips. I've never injected my lips with filler at this point in time. I've done a lip flip, which I spoke about in my Botox lip flip video. I have treated my oral commissures with filler because I noticed that there was a little bit more shadowing than there was before. But trust me, when it comes time to where I see a noticeable volume loss to my lips, I'll be getting this treatment done. Now that I've told you the difference between a lip filler restoration and a lip filler enhancement, would you get this treatment? Or maybe you've noticed some of the signs of changes that we spoke about, or you notice volume loss to your lips. Would you get a lip filler restoration? Let me know your thoughts. Comment in the comment section. And if you understand how significant of a role our lips play in our beauty and our attraction, watch these videos next. They're all about lips.